ECC Timber Products is based in Corr, County Galway. Founded in 1992 by PGFI, the company has grown from a €1 million turnover company to €100 million turnover company today. All our operations are here in Corr, County Galway. ECC produces construction, pallet and fencing material for the Ireland and UK markets. We're Quilch's largest customer. ECC is Ireland's largest exporter of sawn timber. Huge fleet recently purchased off Masterlift includes 10 5 tons and 2 8 tons. Our operation at ECC, we obviously have different lengths of material, and sometimes the pallet material you have shorter lines. So therefore the Hyundai 5 tons, for example, are a big addition to us here because of their manoeuvrability and because of their low carrying capacity. ECC exports about 65% of our products to the UK. Good deal of that is construction timber. And C16 timber must be kiln dried down to a certain percentage. In the kiln drying process, we need an 8-ton forklift due to the weight of the timber and also to the amount of timber that's been shifted around the place. ECC runs a 2-shift operation. All our drivers will obviously work in full shifts. So from that point of view, you can see in the cabs the comfort that's inside them. There's low suspension, plenty of room around them, and even with rear-facing cameras as well, it's obviously a huge plus for all our staff. 18 forklifts moving around our site. Obviously visibility is very important, and having a rear-facing camera and good visibility throughout the forklift is a huge plus. PGFI, the founder of the company, is very much a support local type person, and in Masterlift we've built a huge personal relationship over the last 10 or 15 years. It's our 6th order with Masterlift. Happy with our dealings with them. Find a Masterlift, we get a very good service. If any issues with forklifts or anything like that, we pick up the phone and they're out very quickly, and any issues are resolved very, very quick.